Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to translate text from image. So get let's started. At first, open your desktop. Now translate text from the image. Now going to the any browser option. My source is the Chrome browser. Now for click. Then open the search bar option. Now click for the by search by image option. Now for click. Now click for the upload file option. Then choose upload file. Now for open. Then show the upload complete your the file is the image. Now click for the translate option. Then show the right side is the text. Now select from the all text option. Now this text is the copy. Now keyboard press for now Ctrl C. Then going to the notepad option. Now for click. Then paste from the your text. That's it. Then you show the translate text from image in the desktop. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my